Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and explain our centers for this week. So this center is the writing center, and it's going to be your March journal, and it's going to be in the crate, and it's going to be in your number order. So if you're number 1, you're going to go to the number 1 tab and pull out your writing journal and write your name on it. If you're bin number 2, you're going to go to bin number 2 and get your writing journal out of that. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to share so you can see my screen. Okay, so this is what your March journal looks like. Let me zoom out so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so your March journal looks like this. You're going to write your name right here where it says name. And then you're going to go and you're going to do this page where you're going to label the picture using the words right here in the gray. So the words are watering can, girl, boots, soil, sprout, and water droplet. So you're going to look and see where the dots are and label each picture. The next page that you're going to do this week is this page, and it's labeling the leprechaun. So you're going to look and see the words in the gray and then label them and match them with the picture. The words are cloud, hat, rainbow, leprechaun, pot, and gold. The next page you're going to do this week is labeling the parts of a book. Now, we haven't done this since the beginning of the school year when we label parts of the book, but a lot of you know where the title is, where the author's name is, where the illustrator's name is, and then you'd have the front cover and the back cover and then the spine. Those words are right there in the gray, and you're just going to match those to the boxes found down here on the picture. And then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to list 5 things that are green inside of our classroom. So things that are green inside of our classroom, and you're just going to write them right here, 1 through 5. And then the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to this page, and it says how to catch a leprechaun. So you're going to trace where it says first, and then you're going to tell me the first thing that you would do. So for example, Miss Monroe would say, first I would get a box, and then I would draw a picture of my box. Next, I would get some string to tie to the box, and I would draw a picture of the string being tied to the box. Then I would put the box slanted with the string. I'd draw a picture of that. Last, I'll pull the string when the leprechaun comes in the box to catch it. And I'll draw a picture of my box catching the leprechaun. That's just my examples. You can do however you want to do it. Just make sure that you're tracing the words that are dotted on the paper, and then you're writing what you would do with an illustration. And then that's it for this week for the Writing Center. So make sure you take whenever you're done with your pages, even if time has been called and you're not finished, you put it back in your bin and you straighten up your center the way that you found it. Okay? Bye, guys.